Hey busy people, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about a cool Livebearer, a guppy alternative if you would, Endler's Livebearer. Now the Endler Livebearer or the Posilia wingai, it's on the screen, are a good alternative for people that want to get into Livebearers, try their hand at breeding them, and need something slightly smaller than your typical guppy. They're, of course, from the same family. The guppies are the Posilia family, and sometimes do get mistaken for them. These fish, in my opinion, are a little hardier than some of the currently available line-bred guppies. They can tolerate a decent range of water parameters, but once you have them in an established tank and you've got them in a parameter setting, try not to change them too much because that, of course, will stress the fish as it will stress most fish out. Endlers are going to stay slightly smaller than guppies, only maxing out around 1.5 inches, and have a lifespan of about 2 to 5 years on average. Temperature-wise, they can tolerate a range of 64 to 85 Fahrenheit and a pH of 5.5 to 8, but as close to 7 would be better and more ideal for these guys. So again, nice wide range of temperature and pH for you there. Can pretty much go in any water you can think of. And they're a good, summer tubbing fish if you want to get into that. They're mostly going to stay at the mid to top level of your tank and are a very peaceful fish. So when it comes to tank mates, you can pretty much put them with anything that's going to tolerate the same water parameters as them and isn't too big to eat them. They are an omnivore, so when it comes to feeding, pretty much anything you want to give them, they will eat. They will, though, need like a nice balanced diet of protein and plant-based food. So if you can only get one food for these guys, I would say get something like a Community Crave from Extreme. That way you're getting some spirulina and some krill in there as well for them. That would give you the best options. So they're getting both those things there. They're easy to breed, just like guppies. Pretty much just add water and they will breed for you. And they come in all different colors, all different patterns, all different tail shapes, just like guppies do as well. Again, they're just a smaller version of a guppy, very similar to guppies. I just think they're slightly hardier and just more nano than a guppy would be. So it's a great beginner fish, great thing for people that are just getting into the world of Livebearers. Want to try something slightly different, but not too far from the norm of a guppy or a molly or something like that. It's just a cool little fish that's going to give you some nice interaction and great pops of color in your tank. As always, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like on the video, and of course, leave a comment down below. Let me know your opinion on the Endler Livebearer, and I'll see you in the next one.